Okay, this one what we're gonna do is this is called Praça de Sé, and that's the Sé Cathedral, Travessa de Sé, and we're in kind of a little plaza here. And what we're gonna do is walk straight through here and into this cars, and we're gonna talk about cars and products today. So okay, let's get started. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna start in Praça de Sé, and got this beautiful cross. We have this beautiful church right there. We have this, these kind of go all the way down as well. You can see a lot of the architecture all the way around. And we're gonna follow this and show you some of the cars, because there's some people that were curious about different types of cars that were here. So we're gonna walk through that. And I'll give you a little disclaimer, but I don't know much about cars. So I'll be showing you with the camera, but you can let me know what these are. I'll know some. So there's a golf car. Let's just see what different ones are. So pretty cool architecture too, right? So okay, let me just see. We'll walk through the middle. So Serena, Swift, Suzuki, GX, Jazz, Mazda, Swift, Ferrari. I guess they're mostly Japanese. Toyota. So I guess most of our vehicles are Japanese, I think. So we're gonna walk down this street in a minute, and then we'll try to see more. But there's some pretty cool streets in this area too. Patio de Sé. Let's see if there's any other cars. Looks like that's a Honda right there. So it looks like most of our cars are Japanese. And you're also getting a little taste of the architecture as well. So I'm just gonna keep on going down. Got lots of scooters. And we're gonna follow into a main street and just see what we can see. So let me see, I think that's another Honda. So I don't know cars at all, so I haven't had a car in 25 years. Just see what that car is. That one's I don't know what these cars are, so it's a pretty cool looking car. Toyota. So that one's a Honda. So I'm seeing lots of Toyotas and Hondas. So I think somebody was asking me what kind of cars they drive. Is it mostly Chinese cars? There's another Honda. Hello. Based on a very limited pool, I would say that most of them are Japanese so far. I think I also want to tie it into products, but I could do a different video about it, but I'll tie in the products as well. Most of the products here are from pretty much everywhere. People really like Japanese products here, so there's Daiso is everywhere. Daiso is a Japanese, like a dollar store from Japan. So there's lots of stuff that's from Japan. I think stuff from China, you can buy it in Zhuhai, so they'll go over there and get it at a much lower price. Some of it gets imported over here, but basically this is kind of open to everything. So there's tons of stuff from Japan and Korea. I find that stuff absolutely everywhere. Let me just see, I think we're gonna walk down a little bit. So we'll see Japanese and Korean products pretty much all over the place. I'm waiting for this to open up and then I'll walk over there. So you'll see Japanese and Korean products all over the place. And I'll see Portuguese products as well. Let's see here. Just kind of show you some of the stuff. So there's, in Macau there's all these kind of signs. So that's kind of near Namban Lake. And over there is Grand Lisboa, one of the big casinos. And so let's see, we're kind of waiting for this red light, and then we're going to go that way, across a couple different ways. And I think if we go into these markets, you'll see a lot of different products. Let me see, I can see some, I think I see Japanese and Korean already, but you can also find Portuguese products as well. We'll check it out in a minute. Okay, so now you can see some of the products. Denmark, Japan, Quaker Oats is American, This is probably Chinese, so could be Taiwan. These are sweets. They're from Nestle. Nestle is from Switzerland, I think. Jacobs. I don't know what Jacobs is. Butter waffles. It looks like it's Korean. But basically, when you go to here's Taiwan. So most things at most places here have Skippy is peanut butter. It's American. Creamy cream. I don't know if that might be Australian. But basically products come from all over the world. So I used to live in Korea and Japan, and I can find pretty much every Japanese and Korean product that I ever wanted, that I ever liked, there easily here. And then I guess with the cars, you can see lots of different cars. What's that one? A Mini Cooper. So that one's called a Mini Cooper. Let me just see if we can sneak across. So, okay. So anyways, Volkswagen, that's what, German? I think that's Volkswagen. Golf with Volkswagen. Let's just see, we'll go this way. But basically you can see that most of the products are from all over the place. A lot of times I'll see shops that are devoted to, like, you know, France, Alabuera. That one is Korean, so it's a Korean product. So basically you can see stuff from everywhere. Coreana. So Coreana is, I think it's a Portuguese word and the Spanish word for Korean. So it's in Portuguese, Chinese, and Japanese. And the language is down at the bottom. So, okay. So yeah, basically the products are all over. Here's a truck from Japan. Isuzu. Let's go right down this one and we'll look. These are whiskeys, so they're from probably all over as well. Cognac, product of France. So these are all French. Portuguese stuff is really popular, so you get French stuff everywhere. Mercedes. What's Mercedes? Germany? Volkswagen is Germany. So it's a Honda or something. Since I don't have a car and I haven't had a car in a long time, I don't really have any clue about cars. So so my knowledge and awareness, Honda, I guess. Is that another? I don't know what that one is either. BMW, Nissan, Japan. So okay. Mercedes, Benz. So Mercedes Benz, okay. Honda. So okay. And then they sell jewelry and things like this from all over. I think this is not sold in China, so a lot of Chinese will come here, but people from all over will come and buy it. So okay, so that's basically a little look at our city of Macau and basically what kind of products that they have. So hope you enjoyed that one. And you can also get a little sense of the streets as well. Okay.